Standard on all 2026 Genesis GV80 models equipped with all-wheel drive, Terrain Mode offers a variety of drive modes for adverse conditions. By providing integrated control over the engine, transmission, braking, and all-wheel drive system, Terrain Mode offers increased stability when driving through rough or uneven surfaces. To select the correct terrain mode, start by pushing down on the Drive Mode button. On the instrument cluster, you will see the terrain mode selections appear. Turn the Drive Mode knob to select between snow, mud, or sand terrain modes. Snow mode is optimized for slippery conditions such as snow or ice. Mud mode is useful for muddy, unpaved, or uneven surfaces. Sand mode is for use on loose surfaces such as dry sand or deep gravel. For more information, be sure to explore the how-to videos on the Genesis USA YouTube channel, as well as consult owners.genesis.com and your owner's manual.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the Genesis USA YouTube channel for more great videos and visit genesis.com for more info.